Rain is the most shameless invader on Earth. It soaks through her fabric, outlining every curve that should have remained hidden. This must be for heat dissipation. Standard air cooling is no longer sufficient. She requires liquid cooling to the system. However, she is merely a random arrangement of atoms in Brownian motion, just a cluster of proteins attempting to resist the second law of thermodynamics by twisting its own structure. What is she displaying? On a cosmic scale, the amplitude of these limb movements is less significant than the vibration of a single proton. Pitiful humans. Physics has been locked in. No matter how hard you split or spin in the rain, you will never escape the solar system. And in our eyes, the solar system is nothing but a speck of dust.